is Kat. I'm a little bit different than what most people think I am. You know, I don't really perpetrate out there. I am who I really am, no matter where I'm at. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, even if I don't want to. Things these days suck. The world is coming to an end, if we like it or not. I really don't care what the world's trying to do. Okay, let me get to my point. My point is, you need to keep an open mind when listening to me, because I will contradict myself any way I can. You know. Anyway, that's really all I need to say. So, stay tuned.